Or are you just trying to prove that it came from Japan?
Yeah, that's all I'm trying to do. Okay, so we got a box of goodies. Dude, what the fuck? We got a box of goodies. They've been waiting for us in Japan. Can I get a break here? Jesus Christ. Me and Dave are gonna live react to the box. What's inside the box? And then hit start recording. We'll just use the audio from here and then bridge it together. Let's just put everything on the desk.
Whoa. Dun. The popcorn? What the fuck?
This is so exciting! It's Christmas from Japanese Santa. We all get envelopes.
What the fuck? Is this like money? You bought money? I want to see it. Sagawa. This is actual, like, someone wrote that.
I've had a tough time.
Is that a pillow? Oh, no way.
Alright,
so...
so...
Like a PlayStation 2?
So, for context, all of these things have been in Japan for months. There was no way to bring them over for like an affordable cost or amount. And then FedEx came in clutch and said, hey, we'll fly these out over air for much cheaper than DHL. So that's how we got them. And it took about, I'd say, a week to get here from Japan. So pretty cool. Why don't you choose first? Okay. Technically, this is actually already open, so let's start with this. I opened this just to show my dad. And inside, you have a key.
What the fuck?
Now, you might be wondering, what kind of key?
Yo, that looks crazy. Mazda.
It's an old Mazda key. Completely uncut.
It's gold.
That's one of the OG ones, because it's just the actual design.
Oh, it's got a like a 4-leaf clover on it too.
Yeah, so that one's made by Royal Clover. That's the brand. As you can see, this one is still wrapped. It's pretty hard to tell. Very cool though. This one's essentially, but it depends. This one, some people say it might be like for an older one. So,
Like an NA or something.
or like an older Mazda, like not even one that came to the U.S. So it just depends, but still cool, even if it's just for collection. Okay, you can do that one.
Is this just like stock, or is it fancy? Okay, we probably need like some scissors.
So this one, the story behind how I got it is, I think I believe I paid like $30 for this or something. So yeah, it's woven like overlay or whatever, kind of like the composite, like half.
What the fuck?
So let's see. This one, It said there was a defect, and I couldn't really tell where. I don't remember it being a big deal. Like, it didn't affect the fitment or anything like that.
It looks and feels hella crazy. Because at first, in the bubble wrapping, this angle, I was just like, it just looks like a brand new, like, shiny stock one.
Yeah.
But I forgot that you told me already that it was probably going to be carbon fiber.
So, you have a guess how much that was?
I want to say you spent $60 on it, but I feel like it was $300.
$10.35.
This isn't real carbon fiber? You said it's just like a wrap?
I think it's like a composite, like...
What does that mean?
Like they weave it into the
actual
plastic,
material?
like whatever it's made out of. So, yeah, it's not.
I mean, you could feel it. Like,
it's not actual carbon fiber, but it isn't like a wrap, so to say. So yeah, that was $10. $10.35. Pretty cool for $10. I mean, that's not what I paid for shipping, obviously, because everything costs hella to ship it, but pretty neat item that, like, I've never seen one of those on eBay. Honestly, that should look pretty cool. It's either gonna look cool or, like, super out of place.
it might look out of place because it's super shiny. I don't know what the rest. I forget what the rest of your interior looks like, but
What's next? All right.
no, this one.
Okay. Ooh, you in for the treat.
What the fuck? Is this the Silvio? Oh, Honda Prelude?
It's a Prelude key.
Whoa, is it Type R? Or an R key? It says PR or just like R?
I think that's the Prelude symbol in Japan. You could probably take it out.
Dude, this one looks super. Wrapping that it's in is pretty funny. It's like a lightning bolt or something.
A little case.
A little case thing. Dude, that thing pops, man. It's like an emerald in a gold case.
Yeah, those are super cool, and they're kind of hard to find because they're, like, actually meant for, like, that type of car. Also hard to see because of the light, but yeah. This is Prelude. So this one's pretty neat, and it's cool because it says 2 fit, and these are made by Fuki.
Popcorn.
Popcorn!
This one caught my eye right away because of the doggy picture.
I actually don't know what's in this one. I have an idea, but I'm not 100% sure. Oh! I think I know. What a funny bag.
It literally looks like a popcorn bag. I'm probably going to make popcorn when I go home. Die from salt.
Bag in a bag.
Like a fuse box.
Oh, this isn't what I thought it was.
This is an ashtray?
Yeah.
What? Oh, is it also carbon fiber?
Yeah.
Oh. Whoa, this looks gnarly.
Okay, so guess how much the Prelude key was?
That was definitely like $90.
$9.84.
Oh, that's ugly. I mean, you won't ever see that. But...
Yeah, you wouldn't see that.
Ooh. So mine literally just flops. Like it
Like
doesn't.
the hinges are bad?
Yeah, like it doesn't have nice hinges. That's clean. That looks super sick.
This one feels good. It's like
It's
heavy
tight.
duty.
Yeah.
From the motherland.
That's crazy, man. A couple bucks for some of this stuff. When otherwise it'd probably be like, you know, someone out here if they had it, would be like, oh yeah, that's definitely like I know what I got. Like what the fuck?
I mean, you can take mine over, since mine actually works well.
They just have like.
I'll put this one in my car. Sick.
They just have parts on parts on parts out there. I feel like.
Guess how much that was?
It was $5.
Let's see, $9.27.
Okay.
Okay. Let's do the cute one that came from Nippon.
Wanna fucking eat pizza on a picnic table or something.
Ooh, this one's a little shorty. We got a 255 zoom key.
That looks sick. It looks like a clock. Where it's like some. What the heck?
So that's the brand Zoom. They're also out of business, and
You have another zoom key, right? That other one?
yeah, actually they're right here. So here's my original Zoom key. Kind of a classic one, very like simple. And then I have one of the old Royal Clover, what do they call these? With the frame of the portrait. But I have a whole list of these, like, and what they fit, so I'll have to just reconsult my, like, key code list that I made, because I spent, like, a month making it. Alright, what are you feeling next?
That one, yeah, that one in here. The envelope.
This one looks like it's got a check in it.
That's what I'm saying. Like, I thought you bought, like, yen or something. I can't grab it because it's, like...
Hella tightly wrapped.
Yeah. They know what they're doing out there. Like, some of this, like, packaging just looks hella legit.
M56, 356, that's actually the Miata's code key. Or key code. I turned autofocus off, so it's mainly going to be focused on us, but... yeah, pretty sick. This one is really cool because it'll actually... I'm pretty sure it was made to fit, like, the Nardi stuff. Because, you know, they have the wood grain.
Mm-hmm.
And...
yeah, that one's classy. That one's super sweet, right?
This one, you can see, is like a direct copy cut. So you could use this for sure no matter what.
Damn.
Super cool.
I wish I had like a Miata with like the wood grain finish kind of thing going on.
They look kind of weird because it almost looks out of place, but... What's that?
Buy you some pins.
Oh yeah, I saw those. Super cool. Thank
He's
you.
super cute. He's a super cow. He's got a cape on. That one's for just eggs, and the little green guy, he's for Beyond Meat.
That's funny. I'll have to share them with Soraya. I'll probably use the cow. Alright, here's the next one.
Green beef. Oh, this looks like it's almost the same one.
SBS. That lettering is so cool. Like, cyberpunk font looking.
Is this not the same one?
It's not.
Oh, it's leather.
And it's red with pink stitching.